Linear algebra in the Department of Mathematics at the University of Liberia is one of the most important courses taken by students who major mathematics. This video is an overview of linear algebra at the University of Liberia. Let's begin. Department of Mathematics, University of Liberia. College of Science and Technology, Capitol Hill, Monrovia, Liberia. Math 204, Linear Algebra, Course Outline. This is a 3-credit-hour course, and the prerequisite for this course is Math 201, which is Calculus 1. Course Overview. This course covers the metrics theory and linear algebra, emphasizing topics useful in other disciplines. Linear algebra is a branch of mathematics that studies systems of linear equations and the properties of matrices. The concepts of linear algebra are extremely useful in physics, economics, social sciences, natural sciences, and engineering. Due to its broad range of applications, linear algebra is one of the most widely taught subjects in college-level mathematics. Chapter 1. System of linear equations and matrices. Under this chapter, you study Introduction to System of Linear Equations, Gaussian, Elimination, Homogeneous System of Linear Equations, Matrices and Matrix Operation, Properties of Matrix Arithmetic, Elementary Matrices and the Matrix Inverse, Block Matrices, Row Reduction and Echelon Form, Symmetric Matrices and Skew-Symmetric Matrix, LU Decomposition, and Trace and Transposition of Matrix. In Chapter 2, you study Determinants, where you study the determinant function, properties of determinant function, cofactor expansion and minors, and Cramer's rule. In Chapter 3, you study Vector Spaces, where you study general vector spaces, basis and dimension, linear independence, coordinate, change of basis, fundamental subspace, orthogonal basis, the gram schematic process, inner product spaces, length and angle in inner product spaces, and QR decomposition. In Chapter 4, you study eigenvalues and eigenvectors, where you will have a rigorous definition of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. You study diagonalization of matrix and symmetric matrices. In Chapter 5, you study vectors in 2 and 3 spaces, where you study introduction to vectors using the geometric approach. You discuss norm of a vector, vector arithmetic, you talk about dot product, and linear transformation. In Chapter 6, you study introduction to numerical methods of linear algebra, where you study Gaussian elimination with pivotal condensation, the Gauss-Seidel method, the Jacobi method, and approximating eigenvalues by the power method. In Chapter 7, you study applications. Under applications, you study application of linear algebra to electrical engineering, circuit analysis, application of linear algebra to fluid mechanics, application of linear algebra to business, linear programming, and application of linear algebra to mathematical programming, MATLAB. This course outline was compiled from the textbook Elementary Linear Algebra, 2nd edition by Howard Anton. Copyright 1977 by John Whaley and Son, Incorporated. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. And if this video is of interest to you, please consider subscribing to our channel on YouTube, following us on Facebook and TikTok, because in the next video, we will be going through every topic covered by students who study Probability and Statistics 1 at the University of Liberia.